Guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. This is Car Connections. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I want to show you this little quick little recipe. Onions, chop them all up, put half a stick of butter, olive oil, and let these simmer and cook. Doing some steaks for the wife and the little ones. And let's go out yonder. Beautiful day here in Texas. It's been raining all day. Here are the steaks. A bunch of ribeyes, thinly cut, not the thick cut, just about maybe half an inch, give or take. Bought them at Costco. I think it was like 54 bucks for a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 thin cuts. Letting this get really hot because ribeyes are also fairly thin, so they'll cook fairly quickly. We like our steaks medium. You know, I know some people might think, well, that's a little too raw. Totally get it. But the purpose of this video or this vlog is just to wish all the mothers out there happy Mother's Day for those that still have their mothers around. And for those that don't, totally get it. But for those that do, make sure you wish them a happy Mother's Day. And that's it, guys. Nothing new to the channel. Just want to post a quick vlog on what we're doing today for Mother's Day. Mother's Day, what is it? 2024. I'm trying to stay a little healthy with the good old Michelob Ultra. Just broke my fast. I tend to do 16 to 20 hour fasting. So, and then I try when I do try to eat protein, and then right now I guess I'm gonna break the cycle with the Michelob. I think it's time to put these on here. It's pretty hot. You want to hear the sizzle. I'm not by all means a cook, but I know you just want to, when you put them, you want to hear a nice sizzle. You don't want to hear like there's no sizzle going on. Put these on here. And again, for you guys that are steak experts, totally get it. I've already seasoned these, by the way. You can probably already see the seasoning on them. And they're actually probably wait about a good, I'm thinking they're so thin, I'll probably wait a good minute, maybe and a half, two minutes max, and then I'll flip it over to the other side. In case you guys are wondering what kind of seasoning I'm using, it's this one right here, guys. Nothing complicated. This one right yonder. There you go. That's all I'm using on it. And again, we don't put anything on our steaks like Worcester sauce or anything. We eat them just the way it is. Again, letting these onions cook. That butter will start to melt. And some of the residue or the butter that's left over at the bottom, I'll put that actually on the steaks as well, which will make it even better. Here's the other piece I need. All right, it's been about a good maybe 60 seconds. Whatever you do, what I've heard is you just let the steak cook. Don't open the lid. Just close the lid. You know, depending on the thickness of the steak, you know, you can maybe do 2.5, maybe 3 minutes. Again, these are pretty thin, so I've had them sitting for about a good, maybe now 80, 90 seconds. Again, we'll wait 2 minutes, and then we'll flip it to the other side again. Leave it alone. Let it cook. Don't get panicky. All right, it's been about 2 minutes now. Let's flip them over. Let's see after this flip. We'll cook the other side for another, again, 2 minutes. But let's just see how the first side's looking already. Oh, yeah. Looking real good. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That one's a little thicker. I could already hear you guys in the comments. This one. Again, we're gonna let this other side cook for another 2 minutes. Let's flip this little piece right here. All right. Looking good. And you don't want to overcook these. They're very thin. If you overcook them, they'll get dry. All right, let's close this out, and again, 2 more minutes. Beautiful weather. Just chilling, trying to enjoy time with the family here on Mother's Day. Man, the mosquitoes out here are like rampant right now. My God, I cut the yard yesterday and I don't know what's going on. I must have hit a patch of like mosquitoes because they're freaking huge, dude. Jesus Christ. Cheers Today is Sunday, tomorrow's Monday, and back to the hustle, back to the grind. All right, let's go check on these onions real quick. See how they're doing. Better go quickly because I probably have like 50 or 40 seconds on the steaks. I don't like to overcook steaks. Let me turn this down more like to a simmer. Oh yeah. Oh man, if you guys could smell that, it's intoxicating. Move these around a little bit. All right, timer just went off on the steaks. Let me go back over there. Can have them on a slow simmer. You want to almost turn like a yellowish color, so you know you got it right. Let's go out here and flip the steaks now. Again, 2 minutes on each side. And hopefully I'm not overdoing it. Let's go quickly. We're looking good. Coming doing one last flip here. We do the little things, notice how I'm changing it now at an angle so you can see the little squares. So we're gonna put it this way now. We're gonna let the other side cook maybe for about a minute. Ooh, buddy. And again, put it that way now. Put her up there. I don't know. Thinking 1 more minute on each side based on what I'm seeing here. So it does look pretty done. These look pretty done. Let me close it out. And then we bought this little thing that allows your steaks to rest. Bought it on Amazon. There's the name. Made in China. What's cool about this is you put it in there and it almost keeps it keeps the food warm. Fajita, beef, steaks. And what I do is I let the steaks rest in there, and also the juices of the steaks will fall towards the bottom. And right before serving, I'll just bend this over and pour whatever juices are on here on the steaks that we're about to eat. You want the juices, guys. I can hear the comments. Who knows, I might cook them a little bit more for the little ones. Maybe like a little, more of a little well done. Get her in. Looking good, look at that. Look at the sizzle. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This piece right here is gone, guys. This one right here. This one. Look at that right there. Woo, buddy. You know what? Let me put this over here. Open this up. Get this over here. That piece is done. Let's see, let's just make sure. You might see the little squares now. You see that? You see the little squares when you do that? Yes, sir. Okay, put that over there. Okay, these are done. These are absolutely done right here. Put them in there again. Let it rest there. It's okay if you leave it open. Let's bring these over here now. Yeah, I feel like these need a little bit more. Again, each person's different, so some of you guys might think it's perfect. Get them out of there. I get it. All right, let's go ahead and check these onions. Let's see how they do. Getting a little, the color I meant to say was brown, but it's really what you wanted to do is get caramelized. That's the proper word to say. You want the onions to get that little brown caramelized color. And they're real soft now. Let's take the steaks off now. These should be ready by now. Yeah, they're ready. Yep. These steaks are ready, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this open now. Yeah, buddy. No, this must be undercooked for a lot of people, but not for me. No, sir. No, sir. Last piece, last piece. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Get this over here. Sorry for the quick camera movement. That's done. Okay. Now we're gonna just turn this off. Steaks are done. Now let me go back over here. Onions should be ready. Let's put these in a bowl. Turn this off. Turn that off already. So they should be getting caramelized. That's the color I meant to say. Let's get this out here. Okay, got the caramelized onions. Put them in here, let them sit. And we're gonna just melt the butter. And we're gonna put some sea salt on it. And then that's it. And then we'll dump that butter on top of the steaks. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that again. Typically a carb channel for sure, as you guys know, but sometimes it's important to bring some stuff that's personal. We all have to eat, live, all that stuff. Yeah. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe. Peace.